Okay, we're gonna take a look at the XELA today. It really feels like, after gap fill, we had a massive bounce, and this is on 1 hour. It really does look like we're gonna climb even further. As you can see, we can draw out a line here, we can draw it from here. It really does look like we're gonna take this next level here. This is last resistance, and we're basically touching the last resistance. So hopefully we end the day above it, but I mean it's not the end of the world. We still have upside to it. I'm still holding strong to $3.2 is take profit, but you never know. But I'm expecting 3.2 ish for profit, and I expect that to happen this week or early next week. Let's take a look at ATER. I mean, this is just sad, but we're coming in on next, filling the gap. I mean, honestly, as I said yesterday, the probability of ATER going up right now is slim to none. But if it's going to happen, it's gonna happen on 5.5. So I don't think we're gonna touch it today, but maybe tomorrow. So if you're looking to enter, I would suggest keeping an eye on it for tomorrow. Let's have a look at ATOS. Nothing much happening today. A bit of retractment. I think we're gonna stop right here. This is probably a good add opportunity. We should see a bounce right here. I mean, this resistance should turn into support. I hope. I mean, you never know, but I hope so. Do we have anything further down? If we make it bigger. Yeah, we do. We have this touching point. We have this. I really do think it's gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce and hopefully make a higher low here and continue upwards. I think it's a, I think it's very possible we're gonna bounce here. Let's see in an hour or so. Let's take a look at PROG. PROG I actually added here because you have resistance lines all the way here, and I figured I think you even have one further down here. Yeah, you have some here as well all the way. So I added on 302. I'm expecting it to go. I mean, we still have high lows being created here. High low, high low, high low, high low. So I'm not too worried about PROG. It's gonna be interesting seeing what happens up here. I mean, we do have we can't really call it a gap. It's on 1 hour. But I expect PROG to go further up. My take profit is still at about 5.5. That's just because of options. Let's take a look at them. They aren't really that interesting. Let's go to Yahoo instead. Fuck me. Let's go here instead. Sorry. I just enjoy this site better. The options, it's not really that much to look at, but as you can see, we have quite a few options being added just today on 3.5. And we have a new strike to 7.5. I didn't even know that. I actually took my profit at 5.5 because of option chain ending at 5.5. I'm gonna have to revisit this, but it's really starting to look rather interesting, this option chain. I mean, we have in the money, we have like 50, 60k, 60k options in the money already, and we're looking at another 100, 120k options. I mean, that's like 10 to 12 million shares that has to be delta hedged. So this is actually looking really promising. So I'm really happy about my ad at 302. Let's have a look at 1 hour again. Yeah, honestly, I think PROG, I'm gonna revisit it and say we're probably gonna reach $7 at the very minimum. It's very important to keep in mind it's for 19th of November, since PROG don't have weekly options, they only have monthly options. So gotta keep an eye out for not this week, maybe the week of the 19th is gonna be very interesting, and I'll probably look into adding more somewhere along these lines. Maybe tomorrow at open, because it always falls at open. Uh, that's probably it for me for now. See ya, guys.